Hello artists, this is a follow along video preparing you for drawing 3D letters. We've been working on 3D shapes, but now we're going to try and draw some letters to look like they're 3D. Before we can do that though, I'm going to be showing you how to take a regular written letter, such as the letter A, and a quick way that you can learn how to start turning that into a block letter. A block letter means that instead of just being made out of lines, it has a space. Now you can use the space for a lot of different things. If you just like the block letter, you can put designs in it, you can decorate it. They're just a fun way of also making letters. But we're going to be learning how to make them look 3D. So let me clear that out now that we have it. So for a follow along, remember, I'm going to be doing the drawing and you are going to be doing just what I am doing. You are going to need your paper, a pencil with an eraser or with an eraser handy. So we're going to start off with kind of an easier letter. We're going to start off with the letter P. So the first thing to do is you're going to write the letter P on your paper. But I want you to try and do this lightly. Remember, we learned earlier that to draw something lightly, you want to hold your pencil a little bit further back. If you hold it right near the front, it's harder to draw lightly. So try scooting your hand back a little bit, and you want to draw this very lightly. Almost so you can't even see it. Once you have that drawn on, the next step is to do an outline around the outside edge. So you're going to start off near the bottom, go up, around, and down. And you can draw a little bit harder for this one. When you get to the bottom, you want to go a little bit past. So whenever you have a straight line that ends, you're going to go a little bit past it and close that off. So now that you have the outline, we also have the inside area of this letter. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to outline, but this time on the inside of your lines. Just like that. Then you can use your eraser or your eraser and clean out that first letter you drew. And you'll be left with a block letter. So I want you to practice this. I want you to try to do at least 2 of this letter. And if you'd like to try a different letter, I'm going to show you just a few others, just in case you want to do a little bit more. So I did a letter A up here without doing these steps. Let me show you how to do it with the steps. So lightly draw the letter A, and then we're going to go around it first. Now when I get to the top, since it's a point, I'm going to go a little bit higher, straight across, down. And remember, when you have a line that ends, you want to go a little bit further past it. And we'll keep going all the way around. And then the A has this little inner spot. So again, trace the inside. And then erase away the first letter. This can work also with lowercase letters. So let's try a lowercase letter R. Lightly draw that out, and then we'll trace around it. Now remember, it's got this little spot up here, so we want to go up, past it, cross, down just a little bit, and then follow around the rest. Now the R doesn't have any inside spot, so we don't have to worry about that. We can just go ahead and erase it. So I want you to do the letter P just like we did, and then I want you to either do a second letter P or pick another letter. You might want to practice some of the letters that are in your name. that you can get ready for the next part of this assignment. Okay? See you in the next video.